In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a booking link for scheduling appointments with Google Calendar. By the end, you'll have a professional booking page that lets people pick a time that works for both of you. Automatically added to your Google Calendar. Start on a desktop web browser and go to Calendar. Google.com, make sure you are signed into the correct Google account and that your time zone is accurate. Using a desktop view is important here because it gives you all the scheduling options in one place. Next, look to the top left and click the plus Create button. Then choose Appointment Schedule. This is different from creating a regular event. Appointment Schedule builds a reusable booking page with time slots you control. Now, set your availability and details. Give your appointment a clear title so invitees know what they're booking. Choose a duration, like 30 or 60 minutes, depending on the type of meeting you offer. Decide whether your availability repeats weekly, say every Tuesday and Thursday, or limit it to specific date ranges for a set period. To control your calendar, set scheduling windows. You can define how far in advance someone can book and the minimum notice you require, such as 24 hours, to avoid last-minute surprises. Add buffers between meetings to prevent back-to-back sessions. For example, a 10 or 15-minute gap helps you reset. Take notes, or prepare for the next call. Then configure the booking form and page. Customize the page with a photo and your display name, so it looks trustworthy and on brand. Choose the meeting location if you select Google Meet. A video link is automatically included. You can also set it as in person with an address or a phone call, depending on how you plan to meet. Continue refining the booking form by adding the fields visitors must fill out. Collect first and last name and an email address so confirmations and calendar invites go to the right place. Mark important fields as required to ensure you get the details you need to run an effective meeting. When everything looks good, click Save to create your schedule. To share it, click Share and copy the booking link. You can send it in emails or messages. Or use the website embedding code if you want the scheduler to appear directly on your site. It's a good idea to test the link in a private browser window so you can see exactly what invitees will experience and confirm your time slots and rules are working as expected. That's it, your Google Calendar booking link is ready to use. Thanks for watching.